Once upon a time, in a land filled with wonder and mystery, there lived a small dinosaur named Rex. Rex was unlike any other dinosaur, for he had a heart full of courage and an imagination that was boundless. One sunny day, Rex was wandering through the forest, exploring the many wonders it had to offer. As he strolled along, he heard a faint cry for help coming from deep within the trees. Rex knew that he had to help, for helping others was what made him feel alive. He pushed through the thick underbrush, determined to find the source of the cry. As he ventured deeper into the forest, the cry grew louder and louder until Rex could see a small, scared-looking bird trapped in a thorny bush. "Don't worry, little bird," said Rex, "I'm here to help." He gently removed the thorns from the bird's wings, and it flew away, singing a beautiful song of gratitude. Rex continued on his way, feeling happy and fulfilled. He knew that he had made a difference in the world, and that was all that mattered. But as he turned a corner, Rex came face to face with a fierce, fire-breathing dragon. The dragon roared and raised its tail, ready to attack. Rex stood his ground, not afraid. Instead, he remembered the brave dinosaur who had saved him from a dangerous pit as a hatchling. Rex knew that he too could be brave, just like that dinosaur had been for him. With a roar of his own, Rex charged at the dragon, dodging its fiery breath and striking back with a swift kick. The dragon let out a loud roar and retreated, scared by Rex's bravery. Rex was covered in soot and ash, but he didn't mind. He had faced his fear and come out victorious. He knew that he was a brave dinosaur, and he felt proud. As Rex returned home, he thought about all the adventures he had been on and all the people, or rather, other animals, he had helped. He knew that he had a special gift, and he was grateful for it. And so, Rex continued to live his life, helping others and being brave, always remembering the lessons he had learned along the way. He was a small dinosaur, but he had a big heart, and that was all that mattered. The end.